Back again on the channel. So this is what I have for you guys, and stay tuned, subscribe and share. So let's unbox this and see. It comes from the OutBack power system. 3 boxes here. Let's check it out and see what is in there. Stay tuned for this. All right, now we're gonna get this done and see what we have in here. Dun, dun, dun. It's gonna be exciting. Okay, I'm gonna open the other box because I want us to transition right away as soon as we get done with one and get to the other one. All right, this is open. Check this out. Wow, let's see. Okay, a lot of packaging here. Let's see the protective layer. Oh, it's an OutBack cover right here. Okay, this is a gray one, and we have more packaging here. Uh-oh, look, what is that? It's a mate. It's a mate. Uh-oh, it's a mate 3. Check this out, mate 3. Ethernet ports right there, communication. Let's set this on the side. Okay. Ethernet cable. This is the, oh, there we go, FNDC, FlexNet DC. See that here? A FlexNet DC. This is for charging your batteries and get your state of charge. That's the word. Trying to get your state of charge. There's an indicator on the side here that shows you your battery percentage. I'm going to go through all this. You guys stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you a review of every individual machine here. These are all the connectors for it. The DC wires that goes to the shunt and all that cool stuff. All right. The party just started. Let's get this one again. Uh-oh. I got a, what? There's a scratch on this. There's another cover right there. Okay. Let's check this out. That's the battery covers. DC battery covers for the inverter. Okay. Okay, that's the turbo fan right here. See the FX turbo. Okay. And this one doesn't have a turbo fan, just a regular. Alright. And let's see what's in the box. Voila. This is the OutBack. This one is the one that has the red board. And I'm gonna give you a review of this. I don't want you guys to panic about this, but look, maybe you never seen a red board before, so I'm gonna go through all the specs, just unboxing stuff, and you guys can see exactly what it is. Let's put back this stuff in so that we can have room for this, so we can go back to the second box here and see what we have. Okay, stay tuned. All right, this is how it looks like. Some of the stuff, the inverter in there. It's one inverter. Let's open the other one. There you go. Okay, a second inverter here. Well, this is the second box. And taking this one out. It says OutBack right there. Careful. All right. There's an OutBack in here. The GVFX. It's a GVFX 3648. Okay. It's a red board as well. All right. Look at this. There's a big fan in here. There's a turbo fan right there. Okay, it's another big boy. So 48 volts. All those inverters are 48 volt system. Those are the covers I showed you earlier. And we can put back this one in. I got a good deal on this one, folks. Good deal. Yeah. Some of them they just use for test. Okay. This is the third box. This is the OutBack Extreme, the OBX. This is a 2024. It's a 24 volt. So the two inverters here, right here, they are 48 volt. This one's here, it is a 24 volt. Okay, comes with the manual and all the good stuff. So it's a cover. Right, let's take this one out. The battery protective covers. Here it is. It's a brand new one. It's a brand new machine. That's the third one. So guys, this is really awesome. Maybe I can do this. Sorry, the camera is all over everywhere. So this is I can't do the third one because it's the inverter. Okay, guys. And the other one is in here. Trying to save more space to do all this. You can see right there. So here's the mate, and here is the ob. Good stuff, good stuff. Look at this. Pretty awesome. Mate 3. Alright guys, this is the one old deal. This is the system. You see the mates right here and the FNDC right here. I'll set right on the corner here. FNDC here. So this is the system. One of them I have to get a cover, which is a gray one. Does have, this is a seal, this is a vented one, that's a seal inverter. There's a Mate 3. Okay, Mate 3 right here. Look at it. So they only use this for a display model to demonstrate or illustrate what's going on in the test center. They're set up at the test center to see how these things work. So if you're worried or wondering why is a red board, look for the red board. These are the beta systems. These are beta. This is the one that test models. Okay, these are not these ones. They don't sell them to customers because the OutBack or any inverter has a green board. The green board inside is coated. You see all circuit boards are green, but this is the red one because this is the beta version of the inverters. These are all used in a test site where I got them. That's a green board right there. You can see underneath. That's for customer. They can sell it to you. See that? But it's the green. See the green by the light there? It's a green board. So these are test models that being installed a certain facility to see how to watch how things work. So this is the system, guys. This is the system. Awesome, awesome. I can't wait to see everything running, and we can get from there. Live here at the channel in Minnesota. Guys, this is fantastic. Look at the FNDC. No, it's a whole lot of money here. FlexNet DC, that's the one that's supposed to be responsible to your battery state of charge. Just like when you have to get a shunt on it, you can put 3 shunts on those. I don't want to go too much into it because I have to talk about them. And see, it's gonna have shunt. You're gonna have battery. It monitor about 3. Like solar, wind, or hydro, you can put 3 things or whatever it is. Shunt A, shunt B, shunt A, shunt B, shunt C. So all of these, I'm going to be talking about them in my next video. Stay tuned for these, and you guys subscribe.